Hello, my name is Elder Jane Aguado, and this is activity number 6 of Embedded 3 under section E01. So now we're gonna create a home monitoring system that we can control using the internet. So we are using an LED, a relay, and a servo motor. So the connections are shown here that the LED will be connected to the pin D0. Relay will be connected to the pin D1, and then pin mode in pin D, servo motor will be connected to pin D2. Okay, so we assigned in to LED, relay, and servo L, and then we have inputted our SSID and password, and then the channel number of our ThinkSpeak account. So we have created a code here, and then if LED, we have inputted the servo handle client here, and then LED channel number to here field the field chart to 1 in LED, relay in number 2, and servo L in number 3. So we have written a code and used HTML for the output. So here we can see our uh, output. We can reload this. Uh, I already uploaded the code here, so you can see here. So now let's try it on the here. So we can see the LED 0, the relay is 0, and the servo motor is 0. So we're gonna try the LED first. So you can see here that the LED is on. Here it's on. It's just dim, but it's on. So we can check over here that it spiked to 1. So now let's check the relay. So let's check, it's 0, right? So let's open the relay. So I don't know if you heard, but there's a click sound in the relay, meaning that it's open. So you can see that it spiked to 1. So now let's put the servo motor to on. So here is the servo motor. I don't know if you saw that, but it moved. So you can see here. Oh, wait. Let's just wait for a while, but I'll put it on again so you can see it moved, right? But I think I'm moving my cord, so it's not connecting. So yeah, you can see here that it's 1 already. So that's it for this activity. Thank you.